Hi, I'm Nick Smith from Square Pegs Coaching, and as part of my work over the last years working with leaders and with their teams, I've talked about the concept of psychological safety quite often, and I thought it would be good to do a bit of a video to explain what do I mean when I talk about psychological safety, and as leaders what can we do to bring it about. So using Tim Clark's excellent book on the topic, I want to go through 4 different stages and show you what it kind of means, but also what tips can you put in place to help yourself, but also maybe give you some challenges to help you to look at yourself and think more deeply. As a bit of an introduction, let me talk about the why and the what of psychological safety. And first off, why? Why is it important? And I think for 2 kind of different reasons, and one is for the benefit of the staff members, and the second is for the benefit of us as the leaders and for the organisation. And firstly, for the staff, it's about their well-being. People want to be in a workplace where they feel comfortable, where they feel safe, where they can contribute to the max. They don't want to be holding back. And so making a place that is safe for them, physically and psychologically, is what it's about, and that's part of our job as leaders. But secondly, as an organisation and as the leaders representing that, we want to bring in psychological safety because when people are feeling good, they bring their best work. They want to volunteer information, they want to help people, they want to contribute as much as possible. And where they see that things are wrong, they want to challenge. And so it's important to us and to the people that work for us that the environment is psychologically safe. But what do I mean by psychological safety? It's where people can bring whatever, contribute in whatever way they want or feel is good without fear of being embarrassed, being rejected, being ridiculed, being judged, being punished. That actually it's a safe place to bring themselves and any contribution that they feel is useful to make. And so actually, by bringing this in, we can help people to be part of what's going on. Patrick Lencioni talks about, when people feel anonymous or invisible, they disengage. We don't want that. We want them to feel like they are seen and included and part of things. And so then they are more likely to engage more and work better. As we look at this diagram, we can see that there are 4 stages according to Timothy Clark, and they are the 4 that I kind of touched on earlier. That we have firstly inclusions. Well, firstly we have exclusion. We don't want that. Then inclusion safety, learner safety, contributor safety, and challenger safety. And as we go through, we'll see how these relate to giving people respect and giving them permission, because that's what it's all about. So let's jump in and have a look at these 4 different levels of psychological safety and what they mean for us as leaders and what we can do to bring it about.